Des, King of the Pit TV signing in. This one is entitled Surfing Bird. We're listening to the Ramones' Rocket to Russia full album, start to finish. This is track 13 of 14. Let's go. Yeah, I've heard this one. I've heard this one from Family Guy, innit?
About the bird.
Is this a cover then? Is this a cover song? That snare sounds so good, doesn't it? That snare's just popping in. That snare sounds great in co-op with the bird, but that rhythm. The right kick, innit? Come on. About the bird. You heard this? This is just one chord. And bro, they hang on to that chord for ages. One chord. Little bit of fun, eh? Little bit of fun for the Ramones. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Come on. About the bird. Bird. That was sick. Yeah, that was sick. That was Surfing Bird. A cover, I believe. It has to be a cover, right? Why is it always this way? Last track on the record. Let's finalise.